I'm Lauren Price and I'm Olympic and unified world champion in boxing. I just fell in love with sport from the age of 8. I was in school and the teacher asked us to write like 3 things down which we'd like to do, and the 3 things I wrote down were I wanted to become a world kickboxing champion, I wanted to play football for my country, and I wanted to go to the Olympics. So from the age of 12 I become a 4-time world kickboxing champion. I played football for my country from the age of 14, and when I was 28 I become an Olympian, but I also topped it off by winning the Olympic gold medal. Sport, boxing has been my life, but you know, to go to the Olympics and win that Olympic gold medal changed my life, and it's a dream come true. And I think someone from the valleys who had dreams, who had many people say to her, don't be silly, because I had backing from my grandparents and support there, I was able to go on and achieve my dream. Where my professional journey is now, I'm unified world champion in like 9 fights. Even though I base my life in Sheffield in England, like I love coming back to Wales. I love being Welsh. Like I'm so proud, even though I went to the Olympics to represent Great Britain, like I'm representing Wales. I know where I come from and my roots are Welsh. So for me it's massive for me to give back to the community and to Wales.